Hello, dear investors and traders. The analytical service is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. If you want, you can pause it. You can look at each parameter of the company being researched in detail. Now we will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the corporation. ANI Pharmaceuticals, ticker ANIP. The review is based on data as of August 29, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets organization ANI Pharmaceuticals belongs to the subcategory Pharma Other. 39 organizations participate in the comparison. We will look at the order table at the end of this video. The overall result for the company is minus 5.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.9 points. Looking broadly, within the US stock market as a whole, you can see that the average market score overall is 1.8 points. Against the minus rating, 5.5 points for the company ANI Pharmaceuticals Inc. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price ANI Pharmaceuticals and subcategory companies, we can see that over the last 12 months the stock ANI Pharmaceuticals showed a dynamics of 46.2%. 26.2% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company ANI Pharmaceuticals Inc. valued at $2.01 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $119 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.44 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $44 billion. Comparing the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Share ANI Pharmaceuticals Inc. in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 1.689%. The book value is 0.994%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The financial liabilities of the company under analysis amount to $0.646 billion. Debt to book value is 148% of capital. The result of the company's financial obligations, bad, minus 1 point. The ratio of the company's stock price to its earnings is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 55.7. Market price to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $14 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $167 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 2.7. Average for the subcategory is 2.9. Evaluation of the market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $750 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 1.9%, with an average of 5.2% in the subcategory. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in the subcategory by number of employees is 1.935%. which is 15% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $2,238,000, while for the subcategory it is $2,564,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is minus $15,800, with an average in the subcategory of $46,000. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The volume of sales per employee of the organization is $833,000. In the subcategory, $879,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. Short shares account for 11.9% compared to the subcategory average of 3.3%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 80% for the company ANI Pharmaceuticals, while in the subcategory the RSI level 14 is 49%. The company's current stock valuation is around $92.52. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $95.49. Let's go to the order table, which is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly accepted decisions of the information and reference system this season, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the assessment of the company's securities ANI Pharmaceuticals Inc. Information and reference system Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Open sell order at $92.53 per share. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively poor valuation and price trend. The company's valuation was made using the Akeem's index valuation method. Take profit is set at 72.99. Stop loss is set at 112.07. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed automatically at the end of trading on September 28, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, HNI, is the main buy order. The video for the main order has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, the main or balancing, another order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you audience for watching this video and for using the information system Guru.Markets.